We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa D.I.Ys and on our simple, slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. We are in Catania, just for the day, wandering around like tourists, so come with us.
We're doing the tourist thing today.
Yep. Okay, so we're on a little train ride in the centre of Catania. We paid €5 each, and it's going to take about 40 minutes. It's going really slow.
And here, to the left, the magnificent Roman amphitheatre.
So at the beginning of this video, we are going to show you the touristic side of Sicily. But make sure you watch till the end, because we will also show you another side of Sicily, the less known side.
We are now entering St. Euphlio Street, co-patron of the city of Catania. Fine tropical plants, ancient trees, and to the right, in the center of the square, there is the statue of King Umberto I.
Guys jumping on the back of the train, so there's guys trying to frighten them.
Where the saint was martyred and where excavations have brought to light catacombs of the 2nd century after Christ.
We're looking at the view and Massi's looking at the cars.
Beautiful.
Here we are in Piazza Dante. To your right, we can admire St. Nicholas Arena's church, one of the largest in Italy. Its nave is 105 meters long and the cupola is 65 meters high. Characterized by a large colonnade, never completed, both for economic reasons and because it was thought that the foundation would not stand. Inside it, you can admire a meridian line built by German astronomers, and the recently renovated pipe organ, one of the largest in the world, with its 2,916 pipes. Now home of the University of Catania. By order of Frederick II of Swabia.
Aquila Marina, archi del mare, chiamata così perché tutto il territorio che stiamo percorrendo era ricoperto dal mare fino al 1669, anno di un'eruzione che giunse nella Catania sud ricoprendola. Del barocco nero, perché molti palazzi e le strade della città sono state realizzate.
So Mas, would you recommend that little train ride?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's quite boring, to be honest.
But it did show us some bits that we hadn't seen before.
Sure.
And now we've just stopped for a nice
omeletta.
meal, quick snack actually. I'm having a coffee and an omelette. Massie's having some sort of a closed pizza. Grazie.
Il macchiato? No.
Just a random day, we decided to get in the car and we were like, let's just go to Catania. We never go to Catania, do we?
We were going to two different other places actually.
We were.
Then we just said, this is stopping in Catania.
We were going to go to Centuripe because there was the Sacra of the red orange.
Yeah.
But then that started later on. So we decided to
Sagra,
come
you need to explain what a Sagra is.
Yeah, it's like a festival.
Festival.
Ooh, look at this. Beautiful.
Wow, look at that. That's pretty, isn't it?
So Massi just showed me
Discovered.
discovered the ash from Etna. Of course, in Catania, it's everywhere. You seem to forget about it, but it's everywhere. You're trying to help the little boy, giving him a hand. We had a fantastic day in Catania, and on our way out, Massi found this stall with this gentleman from Reggio Calabria, and he tasted the induglia, absolutely loved it, bought some, and we decided to make our way home and got totally stuck in the long line of traffic. And now this is the other part of Sicily that hardly anybody knows, and we absolutely love, and we want to share it with you. Can you hear the frogs?
Good morning. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno!
Right, so we have come to Valle d'Anapo, which is the Anapo Valley.
Yeah.
This is a famous walk. This used to be a train lane.
Yeah,
So where the trains is railway line. It's now become it's little trails that you could walk on. Very interesting, very beautiful. We filmed it a few times.
Yeah, we have. We love this place.
And this is a place that's really taken us to heart. And we have come to forage for a bit of wild garlic.
It has rained so much that the grass and all the shrubs and everything are so high, and it's so beautifully green. It's lovely. Love this place. We are the first ones here as well. We've signed in the books, and we are the first one, so it's all ours for now. Just trying to go look for this wild garlic. Let's see if we can find it. Look at this. So beautiful. This is definitely the best time of year to come here. You have all the beautiful flowers that come out. The natural wildflowers are just so pretty.
It's also spontaneous. It's
Yeah.
like these plants, these flowers and growth that you'd never ever see in summer.
Okay, so Massi's found one type of garlic. It's a white garlic. What we're trying to look for is the species called Orsini. And the leaves are quite long, flat and green, and we can make pesto out of those leaves, because the white garlic that Massi found smells amazing, but it's just a flower, so I don't know if we can do anything with that. We probably could, but we are looking for the specific type. Getting hot, we're taking off our jumpers. Sun is coming out. So when people think of Sicily, they immediately think of dry, barren, hot. Look at this place. It's beautiful. You would think maybe we'd be in the Alps or somewhere. Of course it won't be like this all through summer, but Sicily is not always hot and barren.
So basically this is part of the necropolis.
Probably, yeah.
The tombs that they used to bury their people that they very close to, family members,
Yeah.
royal people. It's part of them. There's only a few of them here, many. Some of them are not only burial sites, some of them are also where they used to sleep.
Look up there, Mas. There's more up there.
Yeah, there's loads. They're all over there. There's like a little compartment.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is right onto the road, so...
Yeah. Do you think, Massi, it's down there by the bottom?
I don't know, to be honest.
We're going to go a little bit further on. So here are loads of walnut trees. They're still not completely in bloom, but by September they'll be full of walnuts. It's a beautiful area. Picnic area they've got. No, they're walnuts, babe. They're like the ones we've got at home. Look at the leaves. Oh, they're beautiful.
Mini forest.
Beautiful.
Mind your step, baby.
This is a good place for our tournée.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? What, half an hour? That's not bad.
Crazy.
Come
So
on,
cool.
how would they make
Perfect
these
squares,
entrances in those days?
A lot of hard work.
Perfectly square.
Yeah. A lot of hard work.
Crazy, eh? Oh, you can get in and it lifts.
Yeah.
It's like...
Goes up.
Very funny. Let's have a look at... Has it got any bulbs at the end?
Not yet, no. I think it's too soon for that.
Do you think it's too soon? Try taking another bunch and see if you can get the bulb out.
Yeah.
Few people are now coming in. we're glad that we came when we did, because we had the whole place to ourselves. Yay, Massi's got quite a few bits of garlic. Okay, we had a lovely morning. We are full of hay fever and allergies.
We power walked through the power fields of the power flowers. Flower power.
And we're happy we came early because there are loads of people that have just arrived. So we came at the right time and we're going at the right time actually.
The parking lot is extremely full.
Very full. And here we go again. Sunday morning traffic. Buongiorno. Hello, doggy. So when I got home, I separated the leaves from the stalks and the bulbs. I washed the leaves and also a few of the bulbs, put the flowers in a vase and got some parsley and some almonds and put everything together. Okay, so we washed that all, we've popped it all into this liquidizer. We actually put some bulbs, the garlic bulbs as well. Massi wanted to put the bulbs in. Now we're going to put in some parmigiano. Did you put oil in, Mas? No, we still got to put oil, salt, and maybe a dash of pepper. Oh yeah, and Massi, what else did we put in?
Sun-dried tomatoes, the ones you made last year.
Okay, so put in some sun-dried tomatoes too, just to give it a little bit of a nice taste, I reckon.
Mm-hmm.
The last of our oil, unfortunately. Okay, so here we go. We've made some wild garlic pesto with just some leftover cold meats, some fresh bread, and some capugliato. Of course, we had to taste that induglia that we bought in Catania, and it was absolutely delicious. Very spicy, I have to admit. Bellissimo questo origano. Questi signori li ho incontrati oggi. La signora è la mamma di una mia studentessa, Serena, piacere, e il signore è il titolare.
Piacere,
lei, come si chiama lei?
Gaetano Filtrano.
Ok, da quanto tempo ha questo negozio?
2011, quindi sono quasi 15 anni.
15 anni, che bello. E lei, la signora?
Sono Francesca, piacere. Faccio la salumiera da un bel po' di anni, facciamo dal 2000.
Perfetto.
Felice di fare questo lavoro. Si parla con tutti, si chiacchiera, le persone fanno avanti e indietro.
Bellissimo.
La soddisfazione di dire un bel panino,
certo,
una bella mafalda
certo.
con la mortadella, che è il nostro cavallo di battaglia.
Quindi posso dire a tutti gli iscritti che si vogliono fare un bel panino per andare a mare,
sì.
Possono passare da qua, benissimo.
Sì, certo.
Non ce n'è no,
No, è il panino.
Vabbè, è sempre buono.
Sì.
Quindi questa è la mafalda.
Questa è la famosa mafalda.
Ma è proprio di questa regione,
sì,
no?
Sì, e diciamo è
tipica
molto
siciliana.
stretta.
Tipica siciliana.
Sì, sì.
Che bella.
Poi insomma è sempre accoppiata con la mortadella, che è
Buona.
il salume più buono.
Questa è Lucia.
Buongiorno Lucia.
Un'eterna. Eterna.
Clientela che non muore mai.
Chi? Lei? No. 3 euro, 2,50.
So after that funny encounter with La Signora Lucia, I carried on having a look at their lovely little bottega. And if you want to come here, they're just past the big square in Floridia. Tiny little bottega on your left. So this little shop is right at the center of Floridia. It's really handy. They've got all sorts. They've even got a little salumeria here. Look at that photo. The immigrants, probably in America, Sicilian immigrants. I love that photo. Beautiful, beautiful people. Went just casually into this fruit shop and I bought some peppers because we have been invited to go to some friend's house, a friend's barbecue on the 1st of May, which is a public holiday, and I know that these friends love my peppers. So I'm going to do some fried peppers, and I was wondering, I don't want to go just to a normal supermarket because sometimes it's just, you know, the fruit and veggies aren't always that good. So I popped into this greengrocer, which I'd been to before, and I just fell in love, and the people are lovely. And I just discovered that actually the lady that works there is the mother of one of my students. Such a small world. So anyway, beautiful peppers. So for the 1st of May, which is a public holiday, it's Labor Day, we were invited to go and have a barbecue at our friend's home. Okay, so we're at a friend's house. We're having a little barbecue here, so I'm just going to go around and film a few scenes. There's been a little bit of an accident. The dog fell and cut himself, so the guy who lives here had to take the dog to the vet, emergency vet. Let's hope little doggy's all right, but it was just a superficial cut. These things happen.
Ok, visto è provvedimento. Ah, ti sei messo tutto. Hai messo tutto. Ok. Adesso qua Marco, fai vai, bravo. Vai. Ok. Vado, sopra.
We're starting with the prosecco. So Massi, what's happened to your hair?
Oh, yeah, I don't have any more hair.
Ah, we've noticed that.
Nelly, vieni qua, sceglitelo.
So as soon as there's a public holiday, Sicilians just love to get together, enjoy their day by eating, by drinking, and just enjoying the sunshine. And at the end of the day, that's what life is all about, I guess. Massi's looking at his hair and regretting what he did.
No, I'm not regretting.
Okay, the lettuces are looking great. We've just watered them. Another couple of weeks and I can probably cut some off and make a nice salad. Zucchini are growing good here as well. And a few onions. Yeah, looking good. So Massi's just picked loads of mulberries.
Yes.
From the tree.
Just a few handful because I haven't got enough hands.
I picked an egg. We're going to end the video here. We hope you've had a good one. And we'll see you next week with a brand new one. Ciao!
See you later.
Ciao guys. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it really helps us.